April 13th, and I am waiting for Luis to pick me up because we're headed to Cebulan again. My brother-in-law has errands to run, so again, somebody needs to be there, and we need to be there. Oh my god, I have my brain. Anyway, just yeah, I got off of work like an hour or so ago, and I got this delivered. Just chicken, so that we just have lunch. I'm leaving you.
Wait.
Can you tell me what that is?
It's Ankylosaurus with the ponytail.
An Ankylosaurus with a ponytail?
Oh, yes.
Oh. What?
Well, the balloon is small.
Yeah, I don't care about the balloon. No need to press. That's enough. Yeah,
Why
just
is
stop.
not working?
Because it's a video, not a photo.
Why is not this
Because it's a video.
video?
Yeah.
Aha!
Aha!
I know.
I know too.
I can check out their spines.
You can show what? Elder response?
Yes, I can check it out their spines. Wow, so many buns.
Show and then say
It's shark teeth.
shark teeth.
It's Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex. Unboxing. Okay, next.
But CD, do you know what dinosaur this is?
I don't know what that is. I think it's a lizard.
What's
Okay, this one. What is this?
it's Spinosaurus ipsius.
Spinosaurus ipsius.
Spinosaurus ipsius. What's this, CD?
I think that's a camel's hump.
Camel's hump.
Yeah. Okay. What about this one?
Wow, it's three horns on its head, just like Triceratops.
Rhinoceratops?
Triceratops has
Triceratops?
Yes, Triceratops has three horns on its head.
Who has three horns on its head?
Yes,
Yes. I'm just repeating what you're saying.
yes.
Yes, I know. Can I have that? Let's move on to the next one.
You know what dinosaur is.
Oh, I don't know what that one is.
No ways.
Put it, put it,
What?
put it back to the Stone Age.
It's spiky back and spiky tail.
Spiky back and spiky tail. What color is it?
It's a Stegosaurus coloring.
It's Stegosaurus? What color? Tell me what color.
It's bad because orange
And then,
red. And this place is yellow.
what about C's hair?
Huh? Oh, why? You can't see it. You can't see the black hair.
What's this one?
It's Basosaurus slivers.
No, I think that's a pawikan.
No,
Oh, no? What?
can't swim.
Oh, it can swim?
Yes.
How about Nanate? Can Nanate swim?
No,
You can't swim? You don't know?
I don't know how to. It's pterodactyl can fly.
Now, it cannot be seen. Is that the sound of a pterodactyl?
Wow, its wings are flying.
The wings are what?
Flying.
The wings are flying. What color is the pterodactyl?
There's changing colors.
It's changing colors. That's called ombre.
The chameleon wants to
It's
change
all-
colors.
The chameleon changes colors.
Yes.
Wow! Is his hair chameleon?
Wait a minute. You can't change colors.
My hair only.
No, you can't change your hair.
I can change my hair color.
You can't change your hair color back.
I can. This one!
Baby Pachycephalosaurus with you.
Baby Pachycephalosaurus again, we do so with you. What color?
It's green and blue.
It's green and blue. Is that your favorite color? Okay, put it in the container.
It's Paul's office.
Sure, whatever. I don't know how to say it. I don't understand you. Can you sit
It
here?
means head. It means antenna.
It has an antenna? Okay.
They're dinosaurs.
It's like a flower horn, but at the back of the head.
No.
Oh, okay. What's this one?
It's baby ankylosaurus.
It's baby Ankylosaurus?
Yes.
Where's the Antisaurus?
I can find it.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
Long is back and spiky tail.
Really? How many spikes does it have?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14 spikes.
You didn't count the one on the tail.
1 tail.
Okay. Thank you, Nene. Put it here.
Okay.
Okay. What's this one?
I don't know.
I don't know too. Give a name.
No.
Can you make a name? I think this is a Nene dinosaur.
No.
Green one.
I don't know.
I think it's Godzilla.
It's got Tyrannosaurus Rex.
It's Godzilla. Say Godzilla. They have the same colors. What is this one on my right?
It's long neck.
It's a long neck. Does Siggy have a long neck?
Yes.
Really? How about Nene's neck? Is it long, short, or normal?
No, I don't have.
You don't have a neck?
We can't. I know the Brontosaurus long neck.
Pick. Right or left?
Right.
Okay, right. What's this one?
It's Triceratops.
A Triceratops? How many spikes on the head?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Can you show me 6 fingers? Huh? Oh, where's the other one? Oh, good job. Can you show? 6 fingers? 6 fingers.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You're too close, Langging. Okay, put it here. Next one. Right or left?
This one.
What's this one? Is that right or left?
Right.
Okay, right.
It's baby Triceratops.
Oh, baby Triceratops?
Yes, but
Okay, this one. What is this?
it's baby Brontosaurus.
It's a baby Brontosaurus.
Yes.
Last one. What do you think this is?
It's, you know what name dinosaur this is, CD?
Oh, I don't know. I think it's Nenesaurus.
Neosaurus?
Yeah, Nenesaurus.
Nenesaurus?
Yeah, tell Mama. Mama, this is a Nenesaurus.
Almost done.
What's this one?
It's
What's that? What's that?
it's chicken.
What is the sound? What is that?
It's chicken the hen.
Can you spell hen?
H-E-N.
Oh, good job! Okay, put it here. Okay, next one. Ooh, what sound does this animal do?
Oink.
Oink! What animal is that?
It's pig. Pig.
Pig! Good job! Oh, you're so harsh. What's this one?
It's dog.
Oh, it's a dog. This one.
Wait a minute. Is that a cow?
Yes, that is also a cow. It's 2 different colors.
Yes.
What's the sound?
Moo.
Moo. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Good job! Okay, next one. What's this one?
It's a horse.
It's a donkey, but okay. What's this one? Roar.
It's a lion.
Okay, you were about to say tiger. What's this one?
It's zebra.
What?
Zebra.
Zebra. What
It's a
color?
Z.
Can you tell me what colors are the zebra on the zebra?
White and black.
Good job. What's this one?
It's a tiger into the jungle.
Oh, it's a tiger. Do you know how to spell tiger?
Orange and black.
Spell.
T-I-G-E-R. Tiger.
Good job! Teacher! Hire me for tutorial services. This one.
It's tow truck.
It's a tow truck. This one.
It's a fire truck.
It's a fire truck. What is this?
It's a water
It's a ladder.
And this
What's that?
is wheel.
Wheel. How many?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, good job.
And
Put it
what's
back.
this? CD.
What's that? I can't see. Can you tell me what it is, Nene?
It's window.
Oh, it's a window.
I saw the light here in the
I
top.
saw the light
roof.
and it opened up my
I
eyes. I
saw
saw
the
the
light
light.
Stop.
Why?
I saw the light in the roof.
You're so rude. Why did you tell me to stop? I had the most angelic voice in the world.
CD.
Yeah.
I saw the light in the roof.
Okay.
Ambulance truck.
It's an ambulance truck. What sound does it make? Oh, so noisy. You can stop now. Stop. Thank you.
Okay, CD, do you know what this is? A bulldozer.
Bulldozer?
Yes.
What does it do?
It was pushing the snow.
It pushes the snow. Other side. Yeah. What's that?
It's horse.
Okay, good job.
Stars the water age. Is
This
that,
one.
Is that a ammo
How
card?
about this one?
Is that ammo's card?
Yeah, it's an animal part.
Eh. Monkey.
Show it. Show it.
Monkey.
Show it.
Monkeys in the jungle.
Do you know that you are Year of the Monkey and I'm also Year of the Monkey?
Sure.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle. What's this one?
It's a lion.
Okay, what sound does the lion make? What?
It's an apple.
You know what apple is?
Fruit.
Fruit. Yes. What color is this?
Red.
Okay.
And what color? Orange. This is.
What is this?
It's orange.
What fruit is this?
Pear.
Oh, pear. Oh, pear is yeah. It's a nut.
Bat.
It's a bat. Good job. What about this one?
It's guava.
Koala. What's this? Read.
Yak.
Nagkano nagseremonyas ko. Good job.
Is that a animal?
Yeah, it's an animal.
Is that a wolf?
Yeah. Do you know what a wolf sounds like?
A wolf! Oh, it's a pony.
Oh, what color?
It's white.
Okay. Hyena.
Hyena.
This one.
Oh, it's kangaroo. A kangaroo.
Good job. Can you read? Try. Try only.
P.
Platypus. Platypus.
I don't know what animal this is. You know.
I know. Mm-hmm.
And
Okay, next one.
eater.
Anteater. Good job.
Wow.
No.
Rus.
Good job! Rhinoceros! What animal is this?
I don't know.
You give upper!
No,
What's this one?
you're not a dog.
What? What's this one?
No, you're not a dog.
I'm not yet done? Okay, say it.
I'll say it.
What is this?
Rhinoceros.
Good job!
I know. Oh, it's Reba.
Zebra! Not Rebra, zebra.
Reba.
Say zebra.
Z-E-B-R-A.
Yeah, zebra. Zebra. Good job! So I'm shy in the vlog. I don't know what they're doing yet. All I know is they're working on the CR. My CR na kasi sa first floor ng mama. Yung sa amin yung wala pa. So yun, I'm shy. So, ina-extend kasi yung floor dyan for my bathroom. Oop. Yeah. Ina-extend yung for the bathroom. And so this is my mom's bathroom. And then this is the end of like our place. And then this is our bathroom. So bubuhusan pa siya ng semento the past few weeks. Weeks na ba? Yeah. They worked on getting this cleared out. And then the post. I'm shy. So maybe sometime this week bubuhusan yan ang cement. Bing! Bing! Okay. I'm gonna take a nap na. Mga 5:15 today. And then yeah, Luis woke me up. So this is what it looks like na. Ito CR nilang mama. This is the wall that they made. Here. Yan. No way. There's no way. So that's going to get what do you call this?
Oh, look like this. Look. Come here, Sony.
Stormy and snow.
You wanna go up?
No, I'm too lazy.